I'm in this little cove that connects this lake over here with the lake behind me. I think it's technically the same lake, but nice little epic cut-through spot, very peaceful. But the funny part is, I was sitting in that seat over there the whole time, and I couldn't quite steer this canoe, and I was like, this canoe's broken, something's going on, I don't know what to do. Couldn't figure it out. And then finally I looked at the seat that I'm sitting in, which is quite close to the front, well, what I thought was the front. It's quite close to the back of the canoe, and I thought, at one point I thought to myself, if I was sitting back there and somebody was sitting where I was, but we were facing that way, everything would be better. But then I started looking at the gap. There's nowhere for somebody to put their legs. So I was like, oh, I've been steering the canoe backwards this whole time. So that's what's funny. But this little spot right here is pretty peaceful, and it's a nice little cut through to get out of everything. And there's some people back there fishing. I hope they catch a bunch of stuff. I've cast my line a few times, but again, I am a anti-actual fisherman. I know what to do. It's just the fish don't seem to like what I'm doing. But this trip really has made me understand why people get out on a boat, even if they're not going to catch anything for hours. What's that?
Which way do you want to go?
I don't care. I'm 100% lost, so if that helps. Where's this go?